Welcome to HubMesh. Here are today's trending GitHub developer tools and AI agents. Next up, Anti-Gravity Telegram Suite, which lets developers remotely control their AI agents using Telegram. This JavaScript-powered suite allows you to chat, switch AI models like Gemini or Claude, and manage workspaces from your phone. You can also upload files, capture IDE screenshots, and orchestrate multi-agent workflows without touching your keyboard. It's a powerful way to manage your AI, so check out Anti-Gravity Telegram Suite on GitHub. Next up, value-for-fable delivers near Opus quality from Sonnet, drastically cutting AI operational costs. It achieves this by implementing a structured operational model, overcoming Sonnet's inherent quality gap. Blind tests show value-for-fable Sonnet performs comparably to Opus, but at 1/3 the cost per response. Check out value-for-fable on GitHub to see how it provides premium AI performance affordably. Next up, MateClaw helps developers build and deploy secure, multi-user AI agents. It acts as a second brain, orchestrating multiple AI agents with memory and skills. This system uses a multi-agent orchestration protocol and supports various communication channels. Built on Spring AI Alibaba, MateClaw ensures enterprise-grade features like audit trails and error isolation. Developers can easily integrate this powerful tool into their projects, so check out MateClaw on GitHub. Next up, Decision Lab, which helps developers build trustworthy AI agent workflows for data analysis. It autonomously runs multiple analytical approaches on your data, then assesses result convergence to ensure reliable outcomes. This framework helps agents make sound analytical decisions, so check out Decision Lab on GitHub for robust data science. Next up, fablize helps developers make Claude models consistently complete tasks with evidence and verification. This Python plugin applies proven procedures from Fable-5, enabling Opus to systematically follow through on complex work. It enforces verification grounding, multi-story completion, and systematic investigation, preventing premature stops. Check out fablize on GitHub to ensure your cloud models reach their full potential. Next up, Compose for Agents, which helps developers build and run AI agents using Docker Compose. This project provides ready-to-use examples for orchestrating open-source language models, tools, and agent runtimes. Developers can easily configure and deploy various AI agent systems, including multi-agent fact-checkers and summarization agents. It supports both local model execution on GPUs and integration with external services like OpenAI for flexible deployment. Check out Compose for Agents on GitHub to simplify your AI agent development workflow today. Next up, flutter-flame-harness helps developers take a Flutter or Flame game from idea to App Store. This project orchestrates a structured pipeline, handling everything from research and design to a generator-evaluator build loop. It delegates the entire development process, including skeptical quality assurance that actually runs the game before judging. Check out flutter-flame-harness on GitHub to see how it bakes in fixes from shipping real Flame games. Next up, aegisloop provides a local policy, recovery, and audit layer for explicit AI code execution. This open-source JavaScript project binds a ChatGPT conversation to a local codex session, enabling controlled automation. It offers a browser thread-driven local loop with inspectable execution routes and local fail-close controls for enhanced safety. aegisloop helps developers safely automate tasks, so check it out and star it on GitHub. Next up, Agent Chief helps developers guard their attention by filtering agent alerts and feeds. This Python project acts as a local first layer, deciding whether to interrupt you or not. It processes events, intercepting most, and only sending relevant ones to a large language model. This approach significantly reduces noise, allowing only critical information to reach you. Check out Agent Chief on GitHub to manage your notifications and star the repository. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily GitHub developer tools and agent projects.